the time to change. It was said this way since the very beginning, striving for perfection. All the living creatures promptly following the power of a specific engine, making everything around change, seeking to create something new of himself, something more improved. Every new generation is always more advanced than the previous one. Human cells are constantly renewed. Whether the body is getting older or is growing, the cells are inevitably renewing. The technical progress is developing, obeying the same laws of nature. In every branch, the progress keeps going on, no matter what. New products appear, new services. It is similar to what within the living things, new kinds of plants and animals appear.
iPhone.
Revolutionary
Today
were the words people said when meeting Apple trademark and its produce. The huge success of an iPhone literally lies on the surface of its form and its contents, with its undisguised similarity with natural forms, just it wasn't made by man's hands, but implemented by nature. Similar devices existed before an iPhone, most likely they were not perfect enough and harmonious. The connection between a man and devices of personal use stuffed with the operational system has never been so close as it is today. And this connection will only grow stronger with years, as it is getting closer between a man and his habitat, with everything he uses for his life. This connection gains more intimate character, some kind of a mystery, a personal mystery of every person connected with millions of others. Contemporary technologies speed up the life of a man, but only a few say that it saves the time for each of us. You won't surprise anybody with the words that the time is the resource, and perhaps one of the most important. We use it in order to renew our power, to grow physically and mentally. Never before inventors and their companions would get so much money for their intellectual investments into the future. Yet the history is full of examples when, having an absolute perspective, the colossal project scarcely appeared to be on the abyss of oblivion. Chester Carlson, the creator of a famous Xerox and the founder of the same name company, was rejected with his creation by 20 companies. Almost nobody believed in Steve Wozniak's idea about a personal computer.
memory for your TV screen and memory for your computer, make them one.
BS trading and prognosis is the lost profit, as a rule. Most often it happens when the company feels confident on the market, but at the same time it doesn't have the ace of the common game with other companies on the same market. It is hard to guess what is going to be in the range, ace or something common, when dealing with yet an unknown idea. Genius always wins. It is a real element that you can't stop. Enough to look at well-known Steve and Chester. Look at Tim Cook's face. That is how the person who has wrapped the benefits of a great idea looks like. The exact hit. So what I'm trying to say? The evolution leads us to changes. No matter what we do, there must be some movement. Whether it is an invention, a company, or some other activities of the humanity. Let's take any search engine. Those companies exist already many years. They work on the improvement of their system. Everything to please the customer. And that is great. Let's imagine that 20 years passed. What are these companies are going to look like? What is going to change? What is their interface is going to look like? No matter what question is being asked, everything is going towards helping people getting the full information of the question being asked. But 20 years is a lot. What do we want now? Let's imagine there are people who can give us the future today. Everything they made is that they looked over the problem from another angle. You need an unusual approach, non-standard decision. You do not need to make the puzzle that is impossible to make. You can make the whole. People will get something new, something modern, that is going to surprise them. They are going to be thankful to us, because now they can find it all. The future has come. You watched everything we have showed you. And now, we have a question. Are you ready to give away this idea to other investors? Or you are ready to risk and to create the new project from the future?